definitely a lot of other alternative investing options. We just are talking about a couple here. I've done private loans with people. People have done private loans with me, etc. There's also like Fundrise, that's investing in real estate in small chunks as well as ground floor. And there's iBonds too, which is the government bonds. And me and Danielle, we kind of just bought some iSeries bonds because the interest rate was at like 9.6%. Now it's at 6.3% or something. Those are not invested in the stock market. They are secure. You can never lose your principal. The interest rate will go down. It fluctuates, but on a 6-month basis, and it's locked in for 1 year. It's really cool. It's an alternative to like a CD. So if you're interested in that, go check it out on treasurydirect.com or something.